Namaste friends, my name is Sandeep. Today we are going to learn child's pose or called as Balasana. Friends, this Balasana is a restorative forward bend hip opening asana. In fact, this asana when you do anatomically, if you see, the ankle, the knee, the hip and the thigh gets affected. Also, because you are relaxing, it is also the brain which gets affected in a very positive way. At any point of time when we perform asana, when we feel tired, we can always relax in this child's pose because it restores, it energizes, and also it can release the stress. It will give the little time in this Balasana to help ourselves to relieve the stress and the tension, especially if it has come after performing a rigorous practice, a rigorous asana. Friends, if you see the benefit of this asana actually stretches the hip, the ankle and the knee, and that is why it helps to improve the flexibility of the body, especially in the limbs, in the legs. As you relax in this asana, it is very good for the brain. So when you relax the brain, automatically you release strain and tension. It helps to remove the fatigue, it helps to remove the stress at the physical level and also at the mental level. When you perform this asana, if you do it rightly, maybe taking some support of either using a blocks or something, it can also help to relieve the neck and the back pain. Friends, if you have diarrhea, don't practice this. The diarrhea might increase. And if you are pregnant, if you are going through pregnancy, and at the same time, if you have any knee problem, then consult an expert and do accordingly. Now friends, let's see how to perform this asana. So for this asana, you will have to come on your fours or you will take a tabletop position. So let's take tabletop. After taking tabletop, what you do is you bring the tip of the big toe together and then you let the knees go apart. After letting the knee go apart, what you do is you start falling behind, allowing the buttock to come down closer to the heel. If you see, when the big toe is together and the heels are apart, it is like kind of a bowl where you are actually sitting between. But a lot of time people are very tight from the hip, very tight from the glutes and the buttocks, very strained at the knee. So what they can do is they can always keep a bolster between the ankle and the buttock, between the heel and the buttock, and if the ankle is strained too much, they can roll the mat and keep the rolled mat below the ankle so that the ankle is less strained. Now friends, a lot of time when people do this, they usually come forward and they relax like this. If you see, my back is round. So what we can do is, we can keep the alignment of the back nice. Also, if you see, my shoulders are rounding. Then my shoulders should also remain down and relaxed away from the ear. So to make things easier, you need to extend from the lower back, pushing the lower back forward and then coming forward. No matter if you come only this much, you can just relax like this. And to support the head, you can keep a block. Just maintain this. Don't let the back slouch, the back get round. Just maintain like this. If you find that this becomes easier and if you can stretch a little forward, you can also rest. Don't let the head hang loose. A lot of people, because they are not flexible, the head is hanging loose. Always support your head, and that is the reason why it is very good for the brain. So let the head rest. Now we will do it without support. Hands forward, shoulders are down and away from the ear, and drop your head. Just relax like this for some time. This allows the area of the pelvis and the abdomen also to work well. It brings a nice stretch in the lower back, hip region, stretches the glutes also stretches the groin region. Keep holding the position, keep breathing the position. As it is a restorative asana, it will help you to relax, especially after fatigue, after tiredness, or after straining, or doing more beyond the capacity. So hands are forward, neck is long, don't let neck become too short. Neck is long, drop. Keep breathing here for a while. What you can do also, friends, is you can start slowly breathing deeply inside the abdomen. A rhythmic breath, a complete breath expanding the chest, allowing the abdomen also to come out, adds to this feeling of calmness. And this rhythmic breathing will relax the mind more deeply. Dear friends, if you like my video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get updates of new videos also. If you have any feedback, any suggestions, write to us. Those are very valuable for us. If you want us to cover any particular subject related to yoga, also write to us. We will try to cover that in the near future. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Namaste.